Dinosaur or DinoBros Dinosaur toy pullback cars. And if you want to know more about this product, you're gonna find it in the description below. They have a collection of 6 artfully crafted roadster dinosaur pullback toy car. Makes a perfect dino toys for 3-year-old boys. And they have the T-Rex, Triceratops, and they have the Stegosaurus, and they have the Ankylosaur, and they have the Pterosaur, and they have the Velociraptor, and they have the perfect mini size. Small size dinosaur pullback toy car are approximately 5" in length, and they have the toy cars, and they have the simple pullback and go dinosaur cars are easy to play, go fast and sturdy, and they are great gift for boys and toddlers. Dinosaur cars makes a great party favor or winning prize at a dinosaur themed birthday party. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.